Eid Miladun-Nabi, congratulations of Eid Miladun-Nabi to the lovers of Mustafa. Eid Miladun-Nabi.
Dawat-e-Islami's publisher, Maktabatul Madina's published renowned book of Shaykh Tariqat, Amir Ahl Sunnat, Damat Barakatuhumul Aliyah, Madani Treasure of Blessings, consisting of 420 pages, says on page 319, the Holy Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam came into the world on the 12th of Rabi'un Nur at the time of dawn and turned the dark night of miseries, difficulties, troubles and tribulations into the bright and auspicious dawn of blessings.
برسات انوار سرکار آئے، وہ برسات انوار سرکار آئے، وہ برسات انوار سرکار آئے.
Congratulations of Eid Miladun-Nabi, congratulations of Eid Miladun-Nabi to the lovers of Mustafa. Eid Miladun-Nabi.